Hello everyone. Our lesson for today is comparison structures and we are going to discuss about superlative adjectives. Superlative adjectives is another type of comparison structure. These adjectives compare one item in a part of a group to the rest of that group. So we compare to the rest of the group or to all groups. How to form superlative adjectives? For most one syllable adjectives not ending in add est, est, est. For example, is for the word steep. This mountain is the steepest of them all. Is the steepest of them all. Steep, est, steepest of them all, compared to all the mountains. Next, for most one syllable adjectives ending in just add the st, st. For example, is for the word large, large, ends with large. The spirals on the head of that sunflower are the largest, largest I've ever seen. Next, for most one syllable adjectives that follow a consonant, vowel, consonant pattern, double the final consonant and add est, est. For examples, for the word hot, hot. Look at this hot. H consonant, O vowel, T consonant. So consonant, vowel, consonant, double the final consonant. The final consonant is T, so we double T. This is the hottest, hot, double T, hottest place in nature. Next, for most adjectives ending in Y, change the Y to an I and add est, est. For example, for the word easy, easy. The word easy ends with Y, Y. It's not the easy. Y into I, easiest, easiest. Idea to figure out. Next, for most adjectives with two syllables or more, use most before the adjective. Most, most. Let's see, for example, beautiful, beautiful. So it's three syllable words, three syllables word, beautiful. So this is the most beautiful, the most beautiful, the most beautiful flower I've ever seen. Some superlative adjectives are irregular. So you have to memorize the irregular form. For example, is good. Good, not goodest or the goodest, but the best. The best. Bad is not baddest or the baddest, but the worst. The worst. Next is for far, not farthest or the farthest, but the farthest. The farthest or the furthest. The furthest. Those are some irregular examples, but there are many more that you have to memorize. This is the end of the lesson for superlatives adjectives. See you again in another lesson. Bye bye.